guys, it's Nijal here. That's Nijal. And today, as you can see, right next to me is a giant box that's taking up more than 25% of the camera right now. And I will be unboxing this for you guys. I've been watching a lot of unboxing videos recently, and I don't know, I just want to be able to create content like that. Really, like, the thrill of watching unboxing videos is and today it's a treat because my package from Japan just arrived, and this is actually an unboxing of a figurine of one of my favorite characters of all time from one of my favorite games, and that's Yuri Lowell from Tales of Vesperia, now on the Nintendo Switch, originally in the PS3 I believe, and the Xbox 360. A brief background, I pretty much stopped collecting figures from early college just because I don't think it's sustainable for me as a student to keep buying expensive figures even though they're really pretty. But I made an exception for this one because it's again one of my favorite characters ever, and my most favorite costume of his. It's the True Knight costume, which you will only get if you complete the secret missions within the game. So, and it makes him really chef's kiss, especially his ponytail. God, I love that ponytail. Anyway, what really attracted me to this character was the fact that I think he's one of the first anti-heroes I've ever met in fiction, especially in game. Usually it's very clear, the moral compass, direction. Basically, the good guys are like black and white good guys. Also the themes of justice, which I feel like is very relevant to our times right now. So yeah, and also just a quick disclaimer, I bought this figure from Amiami secondhand, but also it's supposed to come in a set. So it's Yuri and then his partner dog Repeat, but I found someone selling on Amiami just the Yuri figure, and I figured, wow, that I only really wanted the Yuri figure.
Stop saying figure.
I only really wanted Yuri anyway, and it was way cheaper than if I bought it as a set, so here we are. And also I was helped by a Pasabuy service here, and it's called Oneechan Pasabuy shop, and they're just great. They're very responsive, attentive, and very nice in general. So if you guys are looking for Japanese goods, I do suggest you contact them. So without further ado, let's begin this video. Okay, so I already opened it up here. I'm covering this part because this actually contains my address. But anyway, let's open this up. Okay guys, here it is, Yuri Lowell in his True Knight costume from Altair. It's quite a huge box. No wonder they had a hard time shipping this. And it's a little sad to think that I'm not getting Repeat, because that's part of the reason why it's such a huge box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. Ta-da! Ta-da! How huge this box is, can I just say. Okay, so here it is, and it's plastic wrap. Open it up. Oh my god. Okay, So the first thing that fell off is the sword. There we go. Great. This is pretty similar to the sword that Yuri has from his release like 10 years ago, I believe. But okay, so here it is. Here he is, guys. Okay, there's not much assembly required here. God, he's so pretty. Damn, this is my husband. Let's take out the base first. Okay, I'm gonna take out the base so he can stand. There, it's wrapped up in newspaper. What was that sound? Okay, put it there. So here is his stand. It's pretty standard. It has this Starry Night design consistent with its box, but it also has Tales of Vesperia written there, and I believe this is the Brave Vesperia logo. Or star, I guess. Okay, and then I'm gonna put him here. So, here. With his sword. Okay, this is gonna be the hard part, trying to fit in his sword in his hand. There you go, guys. The Yuri Lowell True Night version. So pretty. God, I love it.
Sariling sikap dito yung turntable.
You see how pretty he is, like in terms of the coloring. Comments, he's so pretty, so pretty. This is my husband. I love the sculpting, especially on the hair and the little wrinkles on his clothes. Even though it seems like a very standard pose, I would say, or it's not a very mobile pose, it still feels very dynamic because of the creases on his clothes, on his sleeves, on his, I don't know what to call it, skirt thing, or coat. It's his coat thing, tailcoat, and even on his seifuku, spirit, the front flap, you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. You know, for a second-hand figure, I'm surprised that it's pretty much defectless as I'm looking at right now. No paint transfers at all. Just really love the sculpting. It's so pretty, and I love the expression on his face. I think it captures him very well. Smug, confident, but it's also very kira. I kind of feel bad that Repeat isn't here because the base is so empty without it. But I have a feeling I could actually put my other figures here. I have a figure of Estelle and Yuri, so I'm gonna try to fit them here and see what it looks like. But yeah, guys, it's so pretty. I love the gold lining, the gold details. So perfect. So perfect. So perfect. And again, for a second-hand figure, this is near perfect. Except for the part that it's missing Repeat. But you know what? I can't afford Repeat. I can't afford the whole set. And I really was just looking for Yuri. So there we go. Perfect. Yes. Okay, so I kind of forgot to close that one. So real quick, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you like this video, please do give this a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, please do consider subscribing. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.